In order to add a pre-header to any of your templates, we suggest using the HTML block, which allows you to place that element at the very top of your template. Now we can use some standardized HTML, which will hide that content. Display none, max height of 0, and overflow of hidden. You can either make this a static piece of text, or you can go one step further and add it as a content area so that your users can edit the pre-header. We do add some invisible characters to space that content out, just in case your users did not end up customizing the content. In order to add a content area, go into Manage Content Areas and create a new content area. We'll call this Pre-Header. Give it a description or some help text. Let's make this a standard text area. You don't want users adding too many characters for a pre-header, so we suggest restricting this to 75 or 100 characters. Now that you have your pre-header content area, simply copy and paste the code for that content area into your HTML block, where it now becomes an editable piece of content for your end users. Go ahead and hit Save. Make sure that this template is published. Now, let's take a look at mailings from your end user's perspective. They'll be able to create a new mailing based on the selected template, and the content area will be available for them to edit and add their own pre-header content. And of course, you can still use personalization. You'll see that the pre-header does not display within the template, as the CSS applied to the HTML is hiding it. But this will show as the first piece of content within your mailing, as long as it's the first element within that mailing. And that's how you can add a pre-header.